Hello everyone. So today we are going to work on when we start the dialogue with this character, we are going to change the camera angle using a sequence. So at the moment what you are seeing is the angle we set up through a level sequence, and let's see how to make it happen today. And this episode is sponsored by this generous patron. Thank you very much for your support. Right, so the idea I have is when I go to this character and choose to talk, instead of having this fixed camera, like I want to have a cinematic camera basically. So how to do that? Right, to test that, first let's create a level sequence, a simple one actually. Cinematics, add level sequence. I have this sequences folder, conversation 1. Let's save it and let's bring the main character closer to this character. Right, and then let's add a key. After the sequencer, at third person character MH. And I'll add transform key here. Right, then we need why is this animation go? Right, and also here, this character is floating. Right, so let's add a camera angle as well. Maybe in an angle like this. Oh, it's blurred out. Let me disable here on the focus settings. Let me disable the focus settings so the focus is already good. Right, so now let's let me close this sequencer and play the game. And when we go here, let's play that sequence. So to do that, we need a way to reference that sequence when we start the conversation. So yeah, we have this dialog tree data structure within this NPC character who starts the conversation with the who do the conversation with the player character. Let's go there. Where is it? Here I'll add another variable in the type sequence actor object reference. I'll call it sequence, and here now I should be able to set it. And we have to compile the character first. Oh well, it's not showing up here. Not sure why. Shall I restart the project? Okay, restarted the editor. Right, now it shows up here, and as the sequence I'll select conversation 1, and when the character starts conversation, here show choices, I'll play the level sequence we just defined, if there is a valid one. From the dialog tree we can break sequence, check is if it is valid, if yes, play. Play, just play. Alright, let's just play and see what happens. Okay, some odd things happen. Oh, it seems the editor is stuck. Well, I had to restart the editor. Let me try one more time and see if that happens always. Okay, I think I didn't save last time when we play the sequence player. save all and try again. Okay, right, so the video playing part happens, but we don't need to override the character animations for now. So let me open up the conversation. I think just removing the character mesh keys and this control rig, this should fix that. Just the transform is enough. Right, let's play the game. Let me move the character somewhere else. Oh, let me close the sequencer. Right, now the first thing I want to do is the again it's stuck. Oh no, that's okay. First thing I want to do is I need to keep the character in this angle when the player has to make a choice. So basically I want to freeze or pause the sequence until player make a choice. So how can we do that? Let me open the sequence again, and yeah, I think we can do that with the event track. Let's add a trigger. Can we add an event here? Let's add a key here. And as the event, right, sequence director. Okay, here we need, let's just call this pause sequence. So to pause sequence, I think we need to have a reference to the sequence. Do we have self here? Yeah. Here we don't have a reference. Can we pause this? Yeah, here we have the option. What? Okay, then let's make an input. Level sequence player, level sequence actor, sequence get player, get sequence player, false. Right. Okay. Now let's close this sequencer window and play and test if it happens according to the way we need. It doesn't. The sequence ends. Oh, I got an error here. Access non-random protocol found. Get sequence player. So the pausing doesn't happen. Huh. Right. Then I'll make a reference here. This is third person character in PC. Right here, let's create a custom event. Pause sequence. And dialog tree. Split. Check if we have a valid sequence. If yes, pause. Right. Now here I'll change this to third person character in PC. This in PC. Pause sequence. As the NPC, select third person character in PC MH. The editor freezes frequently when I work with the sequencer for some reason. See, it's frozen at the moment. Right, it doesn't seem like it's not going to unfreeze. Let me restart. Okay, let's open the sequence again. Can't save external map. Okay, so we can't make a reference to an object in the level here. Well, I just removed the reference, but still it's asking. Right, then let's try this method. Let me remove this and let's add this third person character NPC into the sequence. We don't need any of these. Let's just add only a event track. Let's add key here. For sequence. Oh no, that's actually coming from the sequence director. That's not the one I want to add. This one. And when I do that, this was automatically created, this custom event, and call in the same one. But right, let's save this, close, and play. Okay, now it seems the camera stays in place and I can select a choice. Right. Okay, the next part is focusing the camera to this character when this character talks, and then when this character starts talking, the camera should be focused in an appropriate angle. So let's work on that part next time, and also I want to work on this part as well. So when we go here, you can see some snapping happens in the character, so we need to make the character smoothly move to that desired point when the sequence starts. So let's look into those topics in future. And thanks for watching. So as always, project files will be available for the download in the Patreon page. Link would be in the description below. And if you like to support my work, you can get the membership of the Patreon Club. See you in another episode. Goodbye.